All right, I'm super excited. GA4 Bulk Annotation Wizard is ready to go. It's currently available in the Google Marketplace, so you can add it as an add-on in Google Sheets, which makes it super easy to bulk upload and edit any of your annotations. So the way to do this, you come down to GA4 Bulk Annotations Wizard, click Open Annotation Wizard. This could take a minute or so, depending on how many properties you have access to in GA. I have quite a few, so this will take a minute. But what this will allow you to do is it'll show all of the properties you have available, and then you can basically download your annotations as individual sheets in your sheet, and individual tabs. And so you see all those annotations, and then you can edit them and then upload them, so individually at the property level. So right here, I've got all of my properties available. You can search for them if you want to, but right here, I'm just going to use this ecom dashboard. So this is the ecom dashboard template I have, or property I have. You can see I have one annotation called test. Okay, so if I come here and hit create annotation sheet and I have download annotations checked, it will look at that property and then download those into the sheet here. So there's my test. Okay, if I don't want to download them, I just want to create a sheet that's available for me to upload things, but I don't want to download everything I have. You can uncheck this box that says download annotations. It'll just create a sheet and make it and prep it for being able to upload new annotations. So let's just say I want to call this, change the name of this. If I change the name, I'll click on Save Annotations to GA4, and it's going to use whatever tab you're on. So I'm on this Ecom Dashboard tab. I click Save Annotations to GA4. It runs through the process, and now I come back up here and I refresh, and now I should have my annotation. Yep, now it says Tester. Okay, so that works pretty well. And now if I want to add a brand new one, let's call it Test 2. Let's do the same dates just so we can see that easily. And we'll change the color to light green. And these are all the approved colors by Google. You can't select anything outside of this, so don't try. Then if I click Save Annotations to GA4, again, that will then save up there. If I come back here and refresh, it works in real time, so I can open up. Oh, there's my test 2. Okay, so pretty cool there. Now, another couple things you can do, let's just say you do have a new sheet, I delete everything, I can refresh. That will then just download everything that's already up there. So that pulls that down. If I want to delete certain ones, I can check the box for delete and then click Save Annotations to GA4 again. That will then process whatever you have and then delete those. Now tester is gone. So if I refresh, tester should be gone here, and it's gone. Okay, so that's how you can manage inside of that. If there's other properties you work on, you can bring those in as well. So let's say I want to create a new annotation sheet. I just select a new property, and now I've got a brand new sheet here. So as I jump around between sheets, notice that the name of the sheet changes, this tab changes. And so whatever ones that I go and edit, so I want to create a new one for this new property, 2025, 04, right? So I can add that, and then now it'll save annotation to this particular sheet. So as you jump between them, it allows you to have kind of manage, if you work on multiple properties for multiple clients or whatever, you can manage those all inside one sheet instead of having to have multiple sheets all over the place. So that's how you manage and edit, bulk edit everything else. You can now add holidays too. So if there's certain holidays from certain countries you want to bring into your GA4 property, it makes it easy to do that. So I can say I want to see all the holidays. These are major holidays, right, from the United States. I can change the color that I want these to be in. Let's say I want them to be purple. And then I can say how far out in advance I want these holidays to be. So right now I'll just say 2025, but you can import all the way up to 2023 if you want. And so if I import the holidays, that will then connect to Google Calendar and then bring down all the holidays that are available. So this allows you, it hasn't edited anything in GA4 yet, you can come in here and delete ones you don't care about, right? If there's certain things you don't want to show up in GA4, you can do that. And just for the sake of time, I'm going to delete a lot of these and then just have the ones that I care about ready to go. Or now if I click Save Annotations to GA4, now this is going to upload these into my GA4 property. And now I've got, and you can see here, now that it shows what the property information is, this annotation name, you don't want to change this stuff. It basically shows you all the annotation information, and that's how it knows how to upload and keep these in sync. So that's how you bring in holidays, and how you can bulk and update annotations. If you've got questions, this is super new. So if you've got any issues, bugs, whatever, or new ideas, I got some other things I'm building out here, but let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.